Bubble tea, also called boba tea, is a drink from Taiwan that's become pretty popular in the West. But at $4 or $5 a pop, it can easily do some damage to your wallet if you buy it on a regular basis. Luckily, it's actually really simple to make at home, and it gives you the freedom to adjust it however you like. So all you're going to need for this is some black tea of your choice, sugar or any other kind of sweetener, creamer or whole milk, and tapioca pearls. The first thing you're going to do is make the tea itself. For each serving, you'll need to boil 1 cup of water and use 1 to 2 tea bags depending on your preference. You'll want to add in your sweetener while the tea is hot so it dissolves quickly. I usually add around 2 tablespoons of sugar, but feel free to add more or less to suit your own personal taste. Once the sugar is dissolved, stick it in the fridge or the freezer so it cools off faster while you're making the boba. The thing about tapioca pearls is that you should only cook as many as you need. They stiffen as they cool, so they're no good overnight. I normally make 1/3 of a cup of pearls per drink. Bring around 4 cups of water to a boil and add in the pearls. Then stir them and wait for them to rise to the top. It should only take a couple minutes. You'll know when they're done when they all darken to a translucent black color. Once they're done, scoop them out of the water and pour them into your glass. I like to put in a little bit of honey too, but if you try this, make sure you only add a little at a time to avoid making it too sweet. Add a couple ice cubes to the glass, then get out your tea. By now it should be cool enough. The last thing you have to do is add in milk. If you like a richer flavor, I'd suggest using half and half. The amount you add is completely up to your preference. It's best to have some large boba straws on hand, but if you don't have any of those, a spoon will work just fine. And that's it. Stir everything up and you're good to go.